Now, we also train a different type of behavior, which we call husbandry behavior. Although they might not be as spectacular to you as an audience to watch, they are our most important type of behavior because it helps us maintain the health and safety of the animal. The animal is trained to participate in their medical care by remaining calm and relaxed through any medical behavior that we ask them to participate in. In this way, it reduces the stress of the animal. We don't have to catch them up or restrain them every time we need medical work done. It's nearly impossible to restrain an animal of this size anyway. And it also reduces the risk that we as trainers take, also that our vet staff take when the animals trained to participate in the behavior. Now, a couple of husbandry behaviors that these guys are trained to do is they can just open their mouth and apply for us to check inside. In addition to those canine tusks, they also have upper and lower premolars. And Siku over there gets some pockets in between those premolars that pieces of fish or clams can get stuck in. So what you're seeing Tony do right now is use a portable water pick on her to flush those bits of pieces of clam or fish that can get stuck in there and cause infection. And she's trained just to keep her mouth open until that flushing is complete. Now, another husbandry behavior they are trained to do is actually can breathe on command. And this way it allows our vet staff to listen to their lungs. They also can just do a simple layout behavior on the ground where they just remain calm and flat on the ground. In this way, we can check their entire bodies over for any cuts or scrapes that they might have gotten. Also, in this position, when they're on their back, they're trained to accept the portable ultrasound machines, which we one day hope to use on our females. Now, one of the most important husbandry behaviors that we can train them is actually a blood collection behavior. They're trained just to remain calm and relaxed while we take blood from them, either a spot on their back or on their hind flippers. This is actually our most important form of behavior because so many medical tests can be run from their blood. Now, before the trainers walked away, you might have noticed them give one last signal to the animals. They crossed their arms in front of their chest and gave the animals the all-done signal. What that communicates to the animal is that the session is in fact over. They're free to go and do what they want to do. And that acts like a reset spell. It tells them we're not going to be asking any more behaviors of them, and there's no more opportunity for the fish reward that they've been getting. We give them this signal to distinguish between the timeout I was talking to you about earlier. We don't want the animals to think that the last behavior that they did was wrong and we're walking off the beach and getting them a timeout for that. So we do give them that all-done signal to let them know the session is in fact over. Now, before we get going, we always like to see if you guys have any questions out there. Do we have an explorer guy?
Yes, we do.
All right, he's got a microphone. If anybody has any questions, you can make your way over to him and he can relay those questions to me.
Right there.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry?
They're asking the water if it's heated or cool.
It is cool. We keep it chilled between 50 and